Living up Indian nationality doesn't make you anti-Indian. It depends upon particular student or person those who is studying in a particular country. And if you wanted to gain benefits of a citizenship of that particular country, you must and should live that citizenship of your motherland. For example, if the student had completed his education in Germany and if he wanted to gain benefits of Germany through citizenship, then he must and should leave Indian citizenship. It means he doesn't have right to vote in India, and it doesn't make sense that if you leave our Indian nationality and you can't become an anti-Indian. It depends upon your particular decision. If you wanted to gain benefits of the country, such as there are special benefits for the people, for the students, those who are completed their education and after permanent residency and after fulfilling the eligibility criteria, if they would get passport of Germany, France, or any European countries, any specific country where they wanted to get settled permanently, then we must and should leave our Indian nationality. And it doesn't make you an anti-Indian because there are many benefits. You can start up your business in that country where you get citizenship and where you get passport of that particular country, even though you can visit India as India is our motherland. And once again, it is a myth that the people or the students those who are thinking that living up Indian nationality doesn't make anti-Indian, even though we are in different countries, but our blood is Indian. So we must and should respect all the students or the people those who are in the different parts of the world, even though they are not having Indian passport, even though they are not Indian nationality. They don't have any Indian nationality, but they have the passport of the particular country where they are living, so that they will be getting the special benefits from the people those who don't have citizenship. So we must and should respect the people those who are having citizenship of different countries apart from India, and they are in many different continents such as Asia, Europe, North, South Americans, and Australia also. So we must and should respect everyone, and it depends upon particular person choice. If they wanted to continue as Indian nationalist, yes, he can do. But if he wanted to gain the special benefits of the particular country, he must and should gain passport of that country. So he must and should become citizen of that particular country where he wanted to live. So once again, please be connecting with me. I'll be uploading more and more videos regarding these international affairs. So once again, we must and should feel proud to be Indian because India is upcoming superpower. So once again, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram, Bharat Mata ki Jai. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Please be connected with me. Once again, Bharat Mata ki Jai, Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.